Hello and welcome to the beautiful, mindful world of X-Max decoration and creativity and creative artistic craft. In today's video, we will explore how X-Max crafting not only brings a sparkle to your homes but also peace, focus, and happiness to our heart. Especially for children, each ornament's wreath and handmade designs carries more than just beauty. It carries a moment of calm, togetherness, and joyful learning. When children create X-Mix crafts like pinecone ornaments, jute wall hanging, or felt decoration, they are doing more than decorating. They are engaging their senses, improving hand-eye coordination, and expressing creativity. Crafting allows kids to slow down in a fast moving world. The simple act of painting a pine cone or tying a ribbon teaches focus, patience, and emotional balance. While they craft, they experience mindfulness, being fully present in the moment, and help them let go of distraction and feel the quiet joy of creating something with their own hands. For families, X-Max decorating becomes a bonding experience. Sitting together with jute ropes, recycled materials, or felt pieces brings conversation, laughter, and teamwork. When parents and children decorate together, they share stories, memories, and traditions. It builds emotion connections, something far more valuable than store bought decor. These eco-friendly crafts using recycled pine cones, mason jars, or burlap teach children about sustainability and respect for nature. They learn that beauty can come from simple, natural materials, not from expensive things. Crafting also improves mental well-being for kids. It reduces anxiety and restlessness. For adults, it's form of gentle meditation, a break from screen, a return of creativity. When children see their handmade ornaments hanging into the X-Max tree, they feel confident and pride. It reminded that their effort creates something meaningful and lasting. Even the texture, soft felt rough pine cones, smooth jute, engaging sensory awareness. This helps develop focus, calmness, and appreciation of small details. Every handmade X-Mix decoration carries a story. A wreath made from twigs and berries reminds us of simplicity. A pinecone star tells us that beauty exists in every corner of nature. These mindfulness craft encourages kids to think creativity and appreciate the world around them. They also teach responsibility, cleaning up materials, sharing tools, and helping others. Crafting together builds empathy and gratitude. Key value during the holiday season, it turns an ordinary afternoon into a memory filled with warmth and love. So this X makes let's decorate with heart, not just with glitter. Let's choose crafts that connect us with nature, with our children, and with the joy of creating. Through mindful X-Max crafting, we plant seeds of patience, kindness, and creativity